Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide fix ChatGPT app not working on guys. So if you are using ChatGPT from your app and if it is not working, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to fix it. Secondly, after connecting all to Wi-Fi or data and your app is still not working, then you just need to click on the airplane mode for 1 second, or you just need to enable it for a few seconds, like 5 to 10 seconds, and after that you just need to disable it. So by doing all of it, it helps you to fix the network settings, which it helps you to fix the network settings. So after that you just need to open the ChatGPT app and see if it is working or not. So if that is working, that's great. If that is not working, then you just need to go to settings on your device and search ChatGPT, and after searching ChatGPT on Android, you'll see the option of apps at the very bottom. On Samsung, you just need to click on settings and go to general, and from there you just need to click on the option of iPhone storage and search ChatGPT from there. So after doing all of it, you'll see the option of storage right here. So you just need to click on the option of clear cache. So by clearing the cache, it helps you to fix all the bugs or the errors which are occurring on that. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to long press on the app and click on the option of uninstall, and after that you just need to reinstall it again from App Store or Play Store on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.